forecast using our VAR model. So it's very simple. You just use the command beta. So my variable, that prediction of my data set beta, will be called, I call it beta predict. That is equal to the command that's used predict. So the first argument of prediction code is to show the name, to call our var model that we have called previously var.m. Another argument is a number of period in which we are going to forecast our data set, beta 0, beta 1, and beta 2. Choose for 12 period. So we have a monthly data that make a prediction over a year. We have also a confidence interval level, which is 95%. Also have one dummy, say that there is not dummy that is going to be used in order to predict our model. So then we will run the command, and we can see that our variable will show different result. If beta predicts, and then click on OK. We see that our different prediction, our different forecast of different component of our VAR model have been made. We have, for example, beta 0 that have a forecast for the next year is for the next month at 0.07744. We have the second month, we have the prediction, we have the forecast for the next 12 months that are here with confidence and interval that have the lower and the upper value. So the lower value, for example, at first year forecast for beta 0 is negative 1.14, and the upper value is 1.30. We have the interval confidence interval length that is here. So we have the forecast value for beta 0, also the same thing for beta 1, forecast for the next 12 here. We also have forecast for the next 12 here for beta 2. So we hope this video have been very useful. You have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, do subscribe in order not to lose the next videos on different techniques on statistical model for social sciences.